Good morning to everyone. My name is B.keerthi from CSM department, second year studying at Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. And today my topic is about the standard input and output interface. Topic: standard input and output interface. Introduction to standard input output. The standard input and output interface is fundamental for communication in the programming. It allows program to receive input from the user and display output to user seamless. This interface is commonly used in the various programming languages, enabling the portability and the ease of use. Definition of the standard input. Standard input is the predefined channel through which input data is provided to the program. In most environments, standard input is typically the keyboard, allowing the user to enter data interactively. Programs can read from the standard input using the functions or method provided by the programming language. Definition of the standard output. Standard output is the predefined channel through which a program sends its output data. The default destination for standard output is usually the console or terminal window. Programs can write to standard output using specific functions or methods, allowing for the data display. Importance of the standard input. Standard input and output interface enhance the interactivities of performance programs by allowing the user engagement. Their prompt portabilities as the program can run in the different environments without code modifications. Standard input-output simplifies the debugging and texting, making it easy to check the flow of data in the application. Here we can see the diagram like an input device gives the data and it will be stored in the memory like in the CPU, and it gives the information like an output device. This is the process of an input and output. Functions of standard input. In the C, the scanf function is the commonly used to read input from standard input. In Python, the input function captures users' input as the string from the standard input. Different programming language provides their own function to facilitate standard input handling effectively. Here we can see the standard input like an %n in the scanf, like an %d /n, address of A, address of B, address of check. If you give the input values as an 10A, 20, B, then 10 will be go in the variable A and 20 will be go in the variable B. There are the 5 characters of a 10 to 0 read by the scroll will be like check, it will be check. Functions for the standard output. In the C, the printf function is utilized to send the formatted output to standard output. In Python, the print function is used to display the output in the user-friendly manner. Each programming language has its conventions for the output formatting, enhancing the readability. Here we can see the standard input and output. There are the two types: formatted function and unformatted function. Again, the formatted function has the two types: input function, output function. Input function gives the scanf, output function gives the printf. In the unformatted function also there is two types: input function, output function. Input function gives the getch, getche, getchar, gets, and output function gives also putch, putchar, puts, putch. Error handling in the standard input output. Standard input and output interface can encounter errors such as individual input formats. Robust error handling the mechanism should be implemented to manage these errors gracefully. Proper feedback to user through standard output can help in the correcting input error. The program standard input gives to the program will give to the output, and also it gives the standard error for the screen. Redirected of the standard input output. Redirection allows standard input and output to be sent to or from files instead of the console. Users can redirect input using the less than operator and output using the greater than operator in the command line interfaces. This feature enhances the flexibilities of the programming by enabling the batch processing and the logging. So here is the standard input output, standard output, standard input, standard error to demonstrate. Examples of the standard input output in the action. A simple command line calculator use standard input to read the numbers and standard output to display the results. Data processing scripts often read from the input files and write result to output files using the standard input-output. Interactive programs such as games utilizes the standard input-output for the user commands and displaying the game status. Conclusion for these: understanding the standard input and output interface is the crucial for the A&E programmers. These interfaces provide the foundation for user interactions and perform communications. Mastery of the standard of input-output can significantly improve the programming efficiency and user experiences. Thank you for giving this opportunity, ma'am.